In this video, let's see how we can export data from an OutSystems entity to an Excel file. What I have done here is build a reactive web application which has one module. Inside the module, I have some entities. These entities have their attributes and have some data. I've also built a simple screen, the one you see here in the editor, which shows the list of suppliers, which is just simple drag and drop from the data table, just like this. Okay. Now what we're going to do next is build the functionality for exporting this data into an Excel file. So to get started, first thing, let's put a button anywhere you like. Give it a relevant name. Double click on the button, which creates the client action automatically. In this client action, we'll trigger a call to server. This is where we'll try to export the data. It will be a new server action, and once we go inside, we will give it a proper name. Export suppliers. Okay. Now this export suppliers functions will return a file as an output parameter. Let's name it file. Platform automatically sets the type as binary data, which is what we want. And then thereafter we can get the data from the table just by dragging and dropping it here. This is a visual query editor, which in case you want to modify, you can go inside and build joins, add filters and those kind of stuff. Once you're done with the query, thereafter you can use this widget here, record list to Excel. This is where once you drag and drop it, it prompts you to select the record list. In our case, it will be the query above. And then we'll select that we want all the columns to be exported. The last step, we will use an assignment operator to assign the output, the file here, to the output variable file. So drag and drop assignment operator, use file on the left hand side, and it will have the value of the sheet, Excel sheet. Okay, let's go back to our client function. Now what is left for us to do is use this download widget, just drag and drop it on the end. It will replace the end function. In the content, select the file output coming in from the function above, the server action, and in the file name, you can type anything, suppliers.xlx. You can make the file name also dynamic by writing the script here, but that's it. Let's publish and see the output. Done. We're going to launch it. The list of suppliers, and when we click on export, our supplier table is here, Excel sheet. If you click on it, it opens. We see the data coming in there. Let me make it nicer. There you go. Thanks for watching.